I'm at DR Horton in the amenities center of Bonita. What is this called? Seasons at Bonita. Yeah, so inside the amenities center, this is, you walk in through these cool like plantation gates, and then you come into this nice little atrium. Look at that cool fan up there, a big ass fan. Very cool little atrium sitting area here. And then, hello. There's Brooke. Hi, Brooke. Hi. All right, and then you come into the fitness center here. Nice spacious fitness center with some stair climbers and some bikes and some treadmills. We have free weights and some matrix machines here. Very nice. And it's Seasons at Bonita. This is a new construction DR Horton community. And this is like an exercise room. Looks like they have some of those bikes for the indoor biking classes. And some exercise balls and things. Very nice. Oh, look at that. They've got bocce. They've got really nice bocce courts here. So this is where you come to get your bocce balls if you want to go play bocce. Or if you're in one of the bocce clubs, you would come here and get the balls and go play bocce. And then here is this beautiful covered area here in the pool. There's the pool area. Look at this huge covered area here. You just hang out with your friends and your family. It's beautiful here today too. It's like, I don't know, 85 degrees outside, but in the shade here, we got a nice breeze. It's wonderful. And DR Horton does a great job with their landscaping. Look how all these trees and shrubs and things, they look like they've been here a while. They haven't. They're pretty new. And you know, they just spend the extra money and get the mature trees, and it's really very nice. It's a little pass-through area. We're gonna go into that room next, but I'm gonna show you the pool first. But that's like a pass-through area for the catering section. And then we've got the gorgeous zero entry pool, and then there's a lap pool too. So you've got the best of both worlds with this pool here, because the zero entry and the, you know, the kids playing area, sort of that area there. And then if you actually want to be serious about your fitness in the pool, you go over and you're in the lap pool. And then there's a spa over there on the other side, nice hot tub. Look at that cool tiki bar area. You can barbecue and stuff like that. This is a really nice community here. And they've got some hammocks over there. They've got a little beachy area back there. And they got hammocks where you can just hang out. Beautiful, brand new, of course, furniture, because this is a new community.
So yeah, we're still selling out here in Seasons of Bonita. We've got floor plans and pricing. Homes are starting in the 500s.
All right, so over here is something I wish they had at the place at Corkscrew, but they don't. So anyway, this is like a community area. You can rent it out for parties. There's a catering kitchen. Really, really awesome. Come in here and hang out, watch a game with your friends. Have it catered. Here's the catering area. Love that picture. So cute. All right, so you've got some warming ovens here, a microwave and 2 refrigerators, and then we've got all this cabinet space and things in here too. For the caterers, this is a really nice amenity center. So this is a great community, and they are not doing bidding here. So this is a first come, first serve community. So if you want to lock one of these houses down here at seasons at Bonita, then give me a call. I'm Dina Sowers. Look for the flowers. My phone number is 248-345-0005. 248-345-0005. Give me a call. We'll find you your place down here in Bonita or anywhere in Southwest Florida. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you watched the whole video, come on, you liked it a little bit. Hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe. Thank you.